Hey guys, hope you love this episode, our master suite-erific episode.
Garage to master suite, enjoy.
All right, so this is the master suite. Master suite. Master bedroom, master suite. So this is the master. Everyone that has been through here has been like really shocked that you could make a garage out of this. And so then we're gonna walk into what's gonna be the master suite.
Garage.
Yes, this is gonna become our master suite.
It's a good, I smell profit.
And so then we're gonna walk into what's gonna be the master suite. Okay, it gets creepy here.
Yeah, you couldn't even walk in here before. It was literally.
Look at the toilet. And just in case you need to go to the restroom while you're walking through the job site, that is so weird. Like, why is that there? Okay, so this is gonna be your giant master suite.
Yeah.
The bathroom will start right where about Justin is at. And it'll be master closet over on this right side.
Yeah.
And then it'll be master bathroom over here. This really cool custom vanity we're putting in. It's a dresser. It's kind of retro, kind of modern, so it's unique. This used to be the garage, and now it is a beautiful master suite. Like, huge master suite. It's 17 feet by, I think, 12 or 13 feet. The closet is over here. But yeah, this used to be the garage. We reframed the entire thing. There was too much damage to keep, so it's basically a brand new house here. Over here is the master bathroom. I'm excited. We have this huge master bathroom door going in. It is solid wood, 44 inches. He is so upset with his door. All the guys are kind of like giving me a hard time. It's gonna be gorgeous.
Just so people know, like 36 inches, you can fit whatever you need in there.
It's big, yeah.
Handicap
36.
accessibility, whatever you want to bring in. 44 inches, you're bringing in circus animals, you're bringing in
you never know what they're gonna want to put in their
really
master
big
bathroom.
people.
This entire thing that I'm walking is the master. Toilets here, huge 60-inch vanity here, custom black. It's
Gorgeous.
awesome.
It is
and then a giant shower right here. I also almost lost the fight on the master bath floor. The shower, everyone thought there was like a curb in it, but I had mentioned multiple times to my contractor that I wanted just one flat floor in the master bath. It was really a big deal to me because I'm doing one really interesting pattern on the floor in hexagon penny tile. And so I'm doing one continuous floor, so it has to be seamless. It can't have a curb. So we had to kind of go over that with the plumber yesterday, but thankfully, and it's gonna be all seamless, no curb.
Yeah.
No curb, right?
No curb, baby, no
Okay.
curb. You got your way.
I did. It's exciting. I love this. I'm so excited. All right, babe, master bedroom. Go check it out.
Dude, this place is huge. Yeah, this is really nice. I was concerned about the amount of space that was gonna be in here, but somebody can make this really their own. They could put the bed here if they wanted. There's just so many different ideas that you can do in here.
So you know where I'm standing right now?
You're standing in the old toilet area.
This is the old garage. And everyone that has been through here has been like really shocked that you could make a garage out of this. And it does take, we had to add a foundation. We had to bring the whole foundation up. I mean, I don't know you can talk about the technical side, but.
We had to do that, add the egress windows, which the egress windows were actually the same size as all the other windows in the house.
Yeah.
You know, so we got these nice big windows letting a lot of light in. We spaced them out. Stephanie actually spaced them out to where somebody could put a TV up here.
So you haven't seen the bathroom yet either?
I have not, no.
Okay.
So this was a massive 44-inch door that we found at the thrift store. It was a matching set of 44-inch doors that she's like, let's make it a barn door. And I was like, oh my gosh, like, can you picture this thing barning right here? It's like, it'd be 8 feet.
You actually told me no probably 10 times. And I said, oh no, we're gonna use it. And you're like, no, it's gonna be ridiculous. I don't know why you talk like that.
You got more than a wheelchair you can get in there. Get the
Oh, thank you.
80s slow clap on this deal right here.
Right? It turned out really good. I got this piece at Kimberly Home First Store in Dunedin. Since this is so retro, I wanted to go a little bit more farmhousey with other details, you know, and then with the brushed gold shower, this flooring also, it's not what I had in my plan. He was running behind on the job, so I said, you know, let's just simplify it, and I'm so glad we did, because it kind of looks like a rug.
Yes.
Instead of like, I had this really busy pattern planned, and it would have, and this is it's just simple and great. I think he did a really good job.
Curbless shower, so you literally just walk right in.
Yeah.
Garage.
Yes, this is gonna become our master suite. We're gonna raise the floor, because you kind of have to step down here.
Move the electric panel around.
To the outside, yeah.
Good. We're gonna get rid of this plywood wall feature.
Okay, so this will become the new hallway.
You wanna hit the master
Yeah.
while we're here?
So where does the master start?
So master technically starts right in this area here. That's still gonna be all kitchen over there.
Okay.
And then we have the door that's going in somewhere right in this area here.
So we're standing in the washer dryer, like
Correct.
the laundry.
Yeah, we're standing in the laundry room.
This is a messy laundry room, just like ours at home.
And then we've spray painted, kind of laid out where the windows and doors and stuff are going here.
So this is then master.
Correct.
And then right there is, like you'll walk in this door, right? This will be
Yeah, you're gonna walk
the
in
master
there.
door. It's so hard to picture when you are just looking at nothing. So here will be your entrance. There'll be a huge window here, right?
Yep.
A huge window there,
Yep.
and then the bathroom is going in the back.
Bathroom in the back.
So then the bed will kind of hang out where
Yeah.
over there. All right, let's check out this master.
Let's do it.
Oh my goodness. Like, look how much light comes in here from this full light door.
It's your design. That's a great choice.
I know. I wanted to have lots of light in the kitchen because it was a little bit smaller of a space, so I wanted to let a lot of light in. Same with these two huge windows here. They look out to the gorgeous new pool, and so I wanted to kind of play on that, but leave a space here for someone to be able to put a dresser or a TV. Like, this used to be that creepy garage. We put in a mini split here because the HVAC wouldn't run back here, correct?
It was a flat roof and we couldn't fit the ductwork in there, so we had to do mini split. Very energy efficient, centered over the room. I think it's real nice, and then it blows literally right into the master bathroom.
We could have run it through here, but then that would have made your ceilings lower, and I don't like that. We did a really cool custom wall here. I put in these like little, 2x1s? What are these? 1x4s? These little wood pieces. But all right, let's check out this master bathroom.
Again, this master bathroom wasn't there either.
It's gonna be 6-foot vanity, toilet, and then shower over there. Can you believe this?
It looks great. You did a great job.
This is such a big bathroom for such a small space that we had for the master, but we did nice clean white with marble top, and we did a just full glass or full mirror instead of frame. We just went mirror. And we did a kind of a unique sconce here. Because this was block, I had a design conundrum when they
You had to know exactly where the lights were going.
And I thought I was gonna be able to do like a normal vanity light, but I didn't realize that we're gonna do a double sink. Like, I just didn't think through it. And so I told the electrician just to put one single sconce there, and I'm kicking myself, you know. And then our Carrera marble shower.
Absolutely love
I know. So you want to talk a little bit about that, because your tile guy called us and was upset with me.
She was so upset. With Carrera marble, you can see through it. So if you use, like, if you have any imperfections or your thin set or whatever it is, isn't covering the entire tile, you can see literally right through it. But our tile guys knew what to do. It was a little bit extra work, but
They were
it looks
awesome,
absolutely.
but they called and said, you're gonna have to pay for that mistake. So he's like, you probably shouldn't do marble ever again, but it looks so gorgeous, and the light coming in from that window just makes everything look light and bright and beautiful.
Maybe.
We're gonna see. We are in St. Pete. Cute little house, checking it out. Oh, nice floors. Okay, so this isn't so busted.
We put master suite here inside, and then make this closet and then master bath like right out here.
The square footage wasn't there. And like we love, it has a garage out the back, which we can make into a master suite. All right, so we are in what used to be this like weird little lean-to. What was this?
It had a metal pan roof on it that somebody made enclosed space. It was so hot out here, it was horrible. So we decided to just, let's rip this off. Let's pour the slab up. This used to be 2 steps, like Stephanie was saying. Now we've just got the 1 step down here. The new entrance from the backyard is gonna be right here. So you'll really walk into this little office space. Again, this will be gone. So they can use this as mudroom, office space, whatever they want.
All right, so this is the master suite. This is gonna get closed off. Your new entrance is gonna be over here. It's gonna be this cool little pathway. So you'll have this cute little entryway. You'll step down 6 inches and into your master suite.
Is that ammonia?
That's like an ammonia smell.
It's a good, I smell profit.
Oh, Justin! Chris.
Don't tell him. I'm only 2 cups of coffee in too. Wait till 3 or 4, I might get arrested. All right, let's go in.
So Blue House, we are here, we are finished. It was such a quick flip.
This fell into our lap and we got it done in 6 weeks.
Master bedroom.
It's just so clean in here.
So good. And you know, I was a little worried about this space here, but it looks, I mean, it looks normal. Like it feels like you're entering into
Yes.
your master suite. So the closet was a waterbed, like surround, really. We were walking through Restore, as I always do.
It's torture to me.
And I found these really cool, which looked mid-century, retro looking, ugly handles. I mean, they're like these little rounded, weird handles. So I was like, oh, I can easily change those out and modern this thing up. The grass is coming back in. Like, what is that? The wickerish, grassish type thing is coming back in. And it was just the right amount. Remember, we measured it like 3 days. We measured it like 3 days before we installed it into the thing, and it was the exact measurement that we needed for the closet. So, you know, of course, he fought me a little bit on it. He fought.
I don't fight you on it.
Not like, but you're like, no, I don't like this. No, I don't. We also found these. These were white, and
Yeah.
I had them spray them black. I think it's funny because it kind of looks like a moose. Like Rocky and Bullwinkle, that's what it reminds me of. It's his face, and this is his little mouth. Waterbed bookshelf.
I think it's like a nightstand, bookshelf, waterbed. I picture it like back in the day with like the wood rails all the way around, then you jump in and it's like,
Yes.
I am Justin Jones, and we are gonna bring the waterbed back.
I love this bathroom. I did my typical subway in here, but I turned it just straight just to really modernize it. Because I went with the wood cabinet, I just wanted to really add this like mid-century vibe throughout the whole house. You know, I wanted it like a mid-century modern retro style. Over here is the bed.
Queen size.
And then over here is a picture.